So let's take a little bit of a room tour. We're in inside room 9336 on the Celebrity Reflection. Come with me. Let's take a peek inside.
Welcome to our room.
All right, as we walk in, this is a very spacious inside room. Very spacious. We have this massive TV set up. We have 3 drawers. As you can see, we kind of already moved in, but there you go.
We gotta do it quick.
You got the safe right there. You got the little cooler right there. Have a little makeup desk, work desk, whichever you want to call it. Got the big mirror. Our room comes with a chair. This time, we do not have a couch, but that's okay.
Both sides of the bed have the storage up here. You can put clothes or whatever you need. Both sides have it, so lots of storage.
So there is lots of storage. Okay, and over here, let's go look at the closet. I'm gonna open it up first, and then I'm gonna scan back. As you can see, top to bottom, they do have the dividers in, so if you want to hang out some shorts, they do have that in there. But we don't have that problem, so just pants. We have 2 little shelves on each side of the bed. One thing to keep in mind, there is no USB charging ports next to the bed in this room. So the only options we have found are right here.
And that's why we have this mess of cords.
You have 2 American plugs and 1 international plug. Hence all of the mess there. So now, let's take a walk into the bathroom, because everybody loves a good bathroom on the cruise ships. All right, when you walk in, as you can see, you got not 2 shelves, but you got 4 shelves, plus 3 more. So you got a total of 7 little shelves there. You got the one down here. You got 2 little drawers, trash can. Got the huge mirror. Hello everyone. The shower is a pod. It is not the shower curtain. We much appreciate that. There are no clotheslines, but there are 2 little hooks. So when you come back from Perfect Day or wherever it may be, you can hang your clothes up in the shower. Let's see if we can find anything else interesting about this. All right, the only other thing we got for you, you have this massive amount of space. So if you need to get ready while everybody else is in the bathroom or whatever, plenty of room right here. If you like to do yoga, if you want to do whatever you want to do, plenty of room. And if you have this room, here's your muster station info. Deck 5, C2. It's in the Ensemble Lounge.
Yep.
And we know this is a room tour, but get your muster done as soon as possible.
It's easy.
It's easy, and it will save you time getting on the ship.
Yep.
That is the room tour for the Celebrity Reflection inside room 9336. If you have any questions, please let us know. And if you stayed in this room before, leave a comment below.